and today we will learn something interesting about plant life. See in this picture there are different types of plants are given. Come to the first plant. It has very thick stems and the leaves are too much in the plant. So these plants are known as trees. Actually we call them trees because they have big trunks. See this trunk how thick it is. Now come to the eucalyptus plant. It also have a thick stem. See how these trunks are, and there are many leaves above. This plant is also tall enough. So this is also known as tree. Now come to the banyan. This plant also has very thick stem. Very thick stem. See the trunk how the thickness are, and it also full of leaves. So these plants are also known as trees, banyan trees. So we have seen three trees here, neem tree and banyan tree. Now come to the rose bush plant. See how the thickness of the plant are. It is very thin. So these sort of plants are known as shrubs, which have limited stems and limited leaves, and their heights are also too short. Now come to the spinach. These sort of plants are attached to the soil. See how it is attached to the soil, and these sort of plants are known as herbs. Now come to the grapevine. These grapevines are known as climbers. They are climbing up high and requires a stick for their support to grow. So in this picture we have learned about four types of plants, that are trees, neem trees, eucalyptus trees and banyan trees, and about shrubs and also about herbs, and the last one is the climbers. Now see, here are some more different types of plants. See the first one, lady's finger. You must be eating this lady's finger at your home. These plants are short-living plants. That means they die soon. Their life are very little. Now come to the potato. Potatoes and carrots, they both are underground plants because they comes from within the ground. That is, they grow under the soil. You must have seen the roots on the carrot and some roots in the potato also, because they comes from under the soil. Now come to the unwanted plant, that is cactus. This sort of a plants grow with the soil, that is, they are lying with the soil, and they are just unwanted plants with some thorny leaves. See how thorny the leaves. Now we will go further. Now we will see the different types of leaves. There are plants with different types of leaves in our surroundings. See the lotus leaf, how flattened the leaves are. It is a very big leaves. The lotus grow in water. See how the stems of these leaves are. It goes under the water and the lotus grows from here in the leaf. Now come to the tamarind leaf. See how small the leaves are. It is so beautiful with a very thin stem in between. Now come to the dandelion leaf. These leaves are shapeless. You can say it as shapeless leaf because somewhere it is very large and somewhere it is very small. These leaves are known as dandelion leaf. Now come to the mint leaf. You must be using these leaves now. See how beautiful this leaf is. It is known as mint leaf. Now we will see the wine leaf. These leaves are also very beautiful. See how the stem, there is very thin stem. You can identify from the picture only. It is known as wine leaf. Now we will see yarrow leaf. See how a big thick stem is there in between, and there are number of leaves on the sides. See how many leaves are there, and it is little bit of dark color. The leaves are of somewhere very dark colors leaves. These leaves are known as yarrow leaf. Now we will come to the castor leaf. These leaves again are beautiful green with a somewhat structure in between. See how the designs are there in between of these leaves, and it is very beautiful in color. Now we will come to the locust leaf. These leaves are in a form of a circular, somewhat they are in a form of oval shape. See how the leaves are. It is known as locust leaf. Now we will come to the rose leaf. Rose leaf, you must have seen the stem of rose are thorny stems, and these leaves are very small and they also looks beautiful like rose. Now we will come to the very important part of the plants, without which we cannot grow the plant. They are known as seeds. Now we will see the different types of seeds. These beautiful seeds. See how many seeds are there in the pictures. Have you ever seen these sort of seeds in your life? Now first come to the watermelon seed. Watermelon seed, you must be eating red watermelon. In the red watermelon there is inside a black color seed. Now this seed is very sharp pointed. See how these seeds are. Now come to the castor oil seed. Castor oil, the oil which we use. See how these seeds are very rough enough with a very confusing color, somewhat sand-like colors. Now come to the papaya seeds. Papaya is of orange color, but the seeds are of black color. See, there are many seeds inside the papaya, these black color seeds. Now groundnut seed. Groundnuts, you must have all eaten the groundnuts. See how small and seeds are. See the red color seeds. Now come to the balsam seeds. See the shape of these seeds. It's too beautiful. It's like a leaf. Now come to the hazelnut seed. Hazelnut. See, it looks like a fruit only. How beautiful. Red color. See the color. It's very beautiful seed. It's red color seeds. Now come to the rice and grain seeds. Rice and grains. We all are eating rice and grains at our home. At our home. See how the seeds are. It is covered. See the cover of the seeds. Now come to the Swartz bean seed. Swartz bean seed. See how these seeds are curved and of green color. See in between there is a black color. It is known as Swartz bean seeds. Now come to the chiku seed. Chiku, which is of brown color. We all eat it and like it. See how the black color seeds are actually the watermelon seeds, and the watermelon seed and the chiku seed, they both matches, but in the watermelon seed there is a point over here. There is a point over here, but in the chiku seed it is little bit bigger. Now come to the maize grain seed. This maize grain seed, we get maize from these grain seeds only. Now come to the rubber seed. These seeds are used to produce the rubber. We get the rubber plant from these seeds only. We all uses the rubber. Bitter gourd seed. Bitter gourd, very bitter, of green color. Have you ever eaten that, children? See the seed, how the seeds are of beautiful shape with a brown color. You feel like cookies, but it is from bitter gourd seed. Now today we have seen the different types of plants. Many different types of plants are there in our surrounding, yes, and there are beautiful different types of leaves also, and there's different types of seeds. So our plants are full of wonders. If you like our information, so please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, and press the bell icon for getting the more interesting videos on education. Thank you.